You see, this particular noodles recipe, my husband always wants to have it for breakfast. Stay tuned, let's watch how I get this done and why it's so special. Yeah, it's your girl Christy. Welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, I always love you. If this is your first time here, please do well to click on the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up after watching. So for this, we'll be needing some noodles, a vegetable oil, a sardine, cut bonnet pepper, purple onion, spring onion, tomato, eggs, and some mixed veggies. That's carrots, peas, green beans, and sweet corn. Break your eggs into a bowl and then slice in some peppers. Please pardon me, I really don't like using the chopping board. I don't know why. I always love traditional methods. After that, slice in some onion. I really love lots of onions in my eggs, and so I was slicing half of that into this, just like this. And then slice in some tomatoes, about half of that one you saw. Slice it into your noodles, into your egg mixture. And then the spring onion. I always love putting spring onion in my eggs. There's this nice and delicious flavor it gives to it. You would like to try this out. Then put in some bits of the mixed veggies, that's carrots, green beans, peas, and sweet corn. Add a bit of the noodle seasoning, just half of one sachet for 2 eggs so it doesn't get too salty, and beat that till it is well incorporated. Get a clean pan and break in your noodles into the pan. If you don't like baking your noodles, you can just put them in like that. Yeah, please, if you've watched to this point, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Then add in some boiling water and make sure that it covers the noodle. You're going to keep this for some 3 to 5 minutes depending on how you want your noodles to be soft. Put a clean pan on the fire. Add some vegetable oil for frying the egg. That shouldn't be too much. Pour in your egg after the vegetable oil is hot. Leave that for about a minute and tilt it at the side so you can flip it easily when it's time. Just like this, it makes your flipping easier. So when your egg must have fried for about 2 minutes, you can then go ahead to flip it. Yeah, just like this. You leave the other side for 1 minute and then your egg is well fried. You put that away. Then you use the same pan to begin to cook your noodles. Open your sardines and pour them inside. Sardines are totally optional at this point. Okay, then add in your onion and saute this for 2 minutes. Pieces the sardine and give that a nice stir. Also do this for like 2 minutes. Then add in your mixed veggies, and this because they are the tougher vegetables, they need more fire to soften. Fry this for about a minute or so, and then add in your tomatoes and pepper. I didn't want this too fried, that's why I'm adding them at this point. Then now this is your noodles. You've run it through some cold water and then you're ready to use now. Add in your noodle spices, about 2 of that, because we'll be needing 1 for that vegetable we are frying. Then give this a nice mix just like this and set aside, and come back to what you are frying and give a nice stir, getting it ready for the noodles. After stirring that, you add in 1 last seasoning from the noodles so your vegetables also have some taste. Okay, then you stir that nicely, then add in your noodles. And yeah, after this, you want to add your spring onion at this point. Don't forget that. I love adding it last so it doesn't get overcooked and then gives me this nice flavor I always want. Please, if you've watched to this point, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and please give me a thumbs up. Okay, give that a nice stir and make sure everything is well incorporated. Then go ahead to serve your beautiful noodles And voila, breakfast is ready. This was how I served mine. My husband really enjoyed it and I did as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you. Bye bye.